Fliki and Colossyan are both AI video generation tools, but they cater to slightly different needs. Here's a breakdown to help you choose. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Fliki focuses on audio and voiceovers. It excels at adding AI voices to existing videos or turning text into videos with those voices. It also allows for voice cloning. Colossyan leans more towards complete video creation, especially for workplace learning. It offers tools to import content and create videos, with a focus on professional presentations. Fliki has a user-friendly interface, an extensive voice library, and voice cloning for a personalized touch. Colossyan has templates and tools for quick video creation, the ability to import various content formats, multiple actors in a scene, custom avatar creation. Pick Fliki if you need a wide range of voices and voiceovers. Your focus is on social media or marketing videos. You want to clone your own voice for content. Pick Colossyan if you create learning or training videos for professional settings. You want to import existing content into videos. You need multiple actors or custom avatars in your videos. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.